Health,
agriculture,
education,
environment,
social welfare,
community development,
cultural programs,
music.
all active right here.
On Radioactive 90.4 megahertz. Get active!
Hello, this is Pretty. The Pretty Beyond Talk Show is a platform to speak out your mind. I feel every person has something wonderful and unique inside their mind, which may be worth listening, and it may be motivate or inspire others. Pretty's talk is about fitness, inspiration, motivation, sharing knowledge, and celebrating womanhood. Stay tuned, stay connected. This is Pretty with loads of love.
Welcome to the Pretty Beyond Talk Show. I bring people here in front of you who has something beautiful in their mind, in their heart, which may motivate or inspire you, or maybe it's worth listening. I am the host Pretty Beyond, and my today's guest is Gurunath G. Kulkarni. And today's our topic is stevia. We are going to talk about benefits of stevia.
I'm Mr. G.G. Kulkarni based at Bangalore. Basically, I'm interested in collecting the write-ups or collecting some old records pertaining to the herbs and the natural resources which helps keep the health in a good condition. That is the basic purpose how we entered into this line. I am not a researcher, I am not a scientist. I will not claim that, but it's out of my interest. I started this.
So here today we are going to talk about stevia.
Now I will come to that. While selecting the product, because I don't want to go for all those things. So now what I did is, I wanted to select one or two products where I can concentrate, focus and take it forward. That was my idea.
Okay.
How I came into this line. There in 2000, stevia was the one product which impressed me very much because of two reasons. One is for its sweetness, unbelievable sweetness. Second thing is the miraculous medicinal properties of stevia.
Okay.
So I left all other products or lines or the herbs and other things and started concentrating only on stevia.
Okay, right.
Reason is stevia is 400 times sweeter than your normal sugars.
400 times. Okay.
Yes. That means 1 kg of stevia is equivalent to 400 kgs of normal sugars. It is that much of sweet. It is the one part. Second part is it has got n number of medicinal applications. It is not that I am telling because I went to Google search and collected lot of papers, lot of research studies done worldwide.
So what are the benefits of stevia?
So stevia has got a hypertensive and heart tonic action, hypoglycemic and anti-diabetic action. It has got antimicrobial action. It has anti-inflammatory and immune modulation actions. It is antiviral. It is antibacterial. So many properties of stevia which attracted me and made me to concentrate only on stevia.
So that means we can say that stevia is a wonderful plant actually,
Yes,
where we have a lot of benefit. Okay.
Yes. And this is not that I am telling. There are third-party published research papers on stevia. Published material in the sense they are to be recognized, they have to be conducted, and clinical trials have to be conducted with the proper documentation, and it has to be published in the medical journals. Then only it gets the authenticity. In 1970s, Japanese have stopped using sugars and other alternative sweeteners which were having one or the other side effects. In 1960s, Japanese found stevia is the only alternate sweetener which has no side effects, and they banned almost all the other sugar substitute and sugars and introduced in 1970 stevia as the national sweetener. So from there onwards, it started. It's only a sweetener, natural sweetener, herbal sweetener, zero-calorie sweetener. In that way, it has gained the popularity as a sweetener only, not the medicinal values.
You mean to say that there are absolutely no side effect of using stevia?
Absolutely no side effects. Absolutely.
Okay.
Zero risk factor. We can say zero risk. Absolutely no side effect.
In our society now, diabetes is increasing like anything among people. It's like every third person, every alternative person is diabetic. So here I want to ask you, how can stevia help diabetic people? What are the ways of using
stevia?
There are two ways of using it. Diabetic patients, they too feel eating sweet. They too need sweet or sweetener. So they can use stevia as their sweetener in all their food items. Even under 200 degrees centigrade, the stevia remains stable. You can use it for cooking purpose or making the sweets or boiling. All these things can be used as a sweetener for all your food items.
Okay.
So a diabetic patient and a normal person can use stevia as a sweetener without having any side effects.
Okay.
That is the one thing. But our concern here is it is not the only sweet or sweetener what we are looking at. Our interest is a diabetic patient can be reversed. This is what we call is a reversal of diabetes. Diabetic patient can become normal by using stevia. Diabetic patient can become normal. That means he becomes non-diabetic by using stevia.
You mean to say that stevia can control blood sugar?
It is not control blood sugar. The reports what it says is it cures diabetes. Word why I am using cure is a person becomes diabetic when his insulin secretion proportionately comes and it decreases within the body. He starts taking externally insulin tablets or injection.
Right.
What stevia does is stevia helps pancreas to secrete insulin to the extent what his body needs. So secretion of insulin starts once again and reaches to the normalcy by using stevia regularly. But we'll have to be careful. Stevia sugar, what is there in the market today, the white color stevia sugar or the tablets, what we say, they are all the process technology. Now I will come to the process this one.
Okay.
One is the hot water process. Second one is alcohol-based process. So to go for the sugar, we'll have to go for alcohol-based process. And once you go for alcohol-based process and for bleaching purpose or for formation into tablets and other things, we will be using some other ingredients which percentage of the medicinal value will come down in that stevia.
Okay. That means that matters actually in the processing time only.
Yes, exactly. During the processing period, how you process, what system, what methods you use, there the medicinal property lies. The technique is here. Very important.
Okay.
Stevia has got an inbuilt property. If you use only leaves or only powder, it will not lose its medicinal value.
Okay. Oh, okay.
People today, what they say is, suppose you are using a sweetener into your milk or milk-based product you are making. You want white color only. People are going for white color powder.
Okay.
To convert it into the dark bottle green color to white, I will have to go for bleaching. We will have to do the decolorization. There certain chemicals are again used.
Okay.
So during those process, the medicinal properties of the stevia will be lost during the process. That's why it is called as a process technology.
Okay.
Base material, it has got its all medicinal properties intact. Worldwide, there are so many patents given for the process technology, not for stevia. Stevia cannot be patented, but the process technologies, different people have got different process technologies. So how careful you are in processing, that's very important. See, for processing of stevia, there are two methods. One is the hot water process. Second one is alcohol based. Always hot water process is the best process. We don't suggest alcohol based because we are not looking at the sweetener of the product. We are looking at the medicinal properties of the product. So worldwide, whichever stevia product is there, which is having a hot water process, they will give the medicinal value more.
Here I want to ask you, who can use stevia?
Any age group.
Okay.
It is not only for diabetic. It is a must for diabetic.
Okay.
But as a general tonic, as a preventive, this one, or a precautionary thing, any age group, anyone can use.
Is it stevia safe for pregnant women? Because during this time, women develop sugar for various reasons and it's a difficult time. And we need some sugar supplement during this period. So how safe stevia for mother to be?
As I told you, anyone can use it. It's a 0 calorie. No side effects, and it will not have any effect on any of your organs. So pregnant woman can use that. There is no problem. Absolutely no issues on that.
Okay, right.
from 1986 onwards, if you take, even beyond that also, Stevia rhodiana on glucose tolerance. In 1986 itself, the reports have been published.
Okay.
Then second one is influence on the influence of the oral administration of stevia side on the levels of blood glucose. In 1977, it has been published. Is there hypoglycemic action of stevia rhodiana? In 1970, published material is there. All the trials have been conducted as old as 1970, 71, 72. You take any of the year worldwide, there are all the clinically reports available on the records.
Okay.
Now, it helps not control. I will not say control. There are so many medicines are available in the market to control sugar level.
Okay.
What stevia does is it directly acts on the pancreatic beta cells to secrete insulin within the body. Once they have insulin within the body, they need not to go for external insulin. This is the function of stevia.
I want to ask you something about true stevia now.
See, stevia is one thing which is known worldwide.
Yes.
I am calling my product as a true stevia.
Yes.
Somebody may come with a real stevia. Some other person will come with some other thing.
Okay. When you have decided, now how it started?
We started working on stevia in the years 2000.
Okay.
I approached...
It's almost 20 years now.
Yes.
Okay.
I approached CFTRI for standardization purpose. We have got all the documents for that. I wanted to collaborate with Dabur, but they were also not having any standard procedure for extraction and other things. Then different organizations, institutions we tried to approach, but we could not. But simultaneously, worldwide, what is happening on stevia and all these things, we are keeping a track of it. In 2004, IHBT Palampur, Himachal Pradesh.
Okay.
It is a central government organization which works on herbs and researches. It does research on herbs.
Okay.
Like CFTRI does research on food products. So DRDO is on a defense things like this. It's a central government organization.
Okay.
Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. They published in all the leading national papers in India that they have standardized the process technology. So immediately we went there. We signed an MOU with Himachal Pradesh IHBT organization. Under the transfer of technology, we took the process technology from them. So after taking the technology, stevia cannot be patented. We cannot patent it because it is known worldwide. Worldwide, lot of patents have been given to stevia's process know-how. It's called as a process technology, process know-how.
Okay.
So in process also there are two types of process. One is water-based process. Second one is alcohol-based.
Okay.
So alcohol-based process, most of the medicinal properties will be lost in the process. It remains as only sweetener.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So we are very much concerned about the medicinal properties of stevia. In 2005-6 itself, stevia-based toothpaste, stevia-based shaving cream, stevia-based aftershave lotion, stevia-based skin creams, lot of products have come into the market.
Okay.
As I told, it has got more than 100 applications.
Everything is from stevia.
Everything is stevia at the base.
Stevia is a wonderful plant, that means.
Yes, it's a wonderful plant. Like just one example, I'll give aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is there, aloe vera juice is there, aloe vera shampoo is there, medicines are there.
Yes.
Similarly, it is much, much, much better than any of the products available in the world, medicinal value-wise.
Yes.
Amongst those things, very important property of stevia is it rejuvenates pancreas. Is the what we can say is the God's gift to the human beings.
Right.
Today, nobody, no organization, no pharma company or no medicine says that any medicine rejuvenate pancreas. Whereas stevia rejuvenate pancreas, it is well accepted fact in the global market.
Globally, right. True stevia basically used for the diabetic people to
Basically,
control the sugar level.
We don't say control because control, most of the products are available to control the sugar.
Okay.
We say ultimately it cures.
You say it's cure. Okay.
It cures. And for that we can give hundreds of people, those who are using this and they have stopped their medicines, including injections.
Okay.
Live examples we can give.
Right.
Those who have taken stevia, they were on, we call them as a insulin dependent. Morning, evening, they were taking injections.
Right.
After taking stevia for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, depending upon their health conditions, they have stopped their injections for more than 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years. This is the live examples which we can give in different states where stevia being used.
Okay.
True stevia being used.
What are the other product it is available with you? Do you make only true stevia or other things also? Any other things also there? Any other product?
No. We have different products. Stevia blended. They are all first of its kind, I can say. Diabetic. I introduce tea in the market blended with stevia.
Okay.
So the beauty of it, whether it's a tea or coffee, both diabetic tea and coffee, we have got 2 products.
Okay.
Boil water, add tea powder or coffee powder, whichever you feel like, and use milk to whatever your required quantity is there. No need to add sugar. Without using sugar, without using any external sweetener, you will have a sweet tea and coffee.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful.
It is blended with stevia. The reason is we want to keep away as much as possible. Sugar is to be avoided. Second thing is, in any form, you take stevia in any form, whether it is liquid, powder, with eatables, intake of stevia will always help your health. That's why we say stay healthy with stevia. The more you consume stevia, you will be more healthier in whatever form.
Okay.
One is our sugar-free tea you can call, or diabetic tea. Similarly, diabetic tea, coffee or sugar-free coffee. Other than that, we have got no to sugar.
Okay.
It is a highly concentrated stevia in a dropper. No to sugar, name itself says, say no to sugar. Then what is the substitute for that?
Right.
So we give it in concentrated form. Few drops in your any of the beverages, it sweetens your beverages. It's again stevia based, 100% natural, 0 calorie, without any side effects, gives the sweetness.
Oh, that's really wonderful. As a person like us, I give up completely white sugar. I don't even take a single drop of white sugar. So it is useful for me. Sometimes we feel to have, feel sometimes crave for some sweet. So that means we can take all these product, right?
You can use it. You can use it even for your sweets and other things. And in my house for the last 3 years, we are using only this sweetener only, stevia sweetener only.
For everything, whatever you want, sweet you want to make.
Everything. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now we are developing Chyawanprash with stevia.
Oh, that will be very nice. Yeah.
Because in Chyawanprash they use sugar. Instead of sugar, we are asking them to use stevia. It gives health, sweet, as well as Chyawanprash properties. So like that, we have got different products. But focused-wise, what we are telling is diabetes is called as a killer disease. And once you are a diabetic, then all your organs get started affecting. You become day by day weak. Reason is what doctors say is do exercise, do yoga, or eat less. So you are controlling so many things. The human body, what it requires, that much you may not get it. So here, whatever medicine you are taking, controlling your food or diet, you say diet, you start becoming weak every day by day.
Yes, because we need all this protein, vitamin, whatever it is required from the food itself, we have to take it, right?
Yes. So here what this one is, yes, you have to eat what is required to your body, that much you have to eat, get it digested and get the energy converted into this one, and it should reach to each and every organ. This entire process is done by stevia. That's why we have called it as a true stevia. It's a real stevia. True stevia, how it works. So much of research, clinical trials, published materials were available. There was pressure on WHO for its approval and other things. So in 2006, World Health Organization, WHO has performed a thorough evaluation of all the recent experimental studies on stevia, which have been conducted on animals and humans.
Oh, okay.
And the report says it has found no carcinogenic activity. Stevia has shown evidence of pharmacological effects in patients with hypertension or with type 2 diabetes. All these things have been published by World Health Organization in 2006 itself. So people are not aware of these things. An educative program has to be done to create the awareness about the stevia's medicinal properties.
Yes, the awareness is very important, right?
Very important. If you go to Google, search, you say stevia, you will find thousands of products with sweetener, as a sweetener. That's one leg. Just go stevia medicinal properties. If you go to stevia medicinal properties, you will get all the clinical conducted worldwide. It is not that I am saying that something. Worldwide clinical trials have been conducted on this. In Kerala, I started this. In 2005, 6, 7, 8 people were, farmers were farming this, growing this. We were growing, but we were not knowing how to process and all these things. So it's only educative program. Because the thing is, people are not aware of these things. Once you create the awareness, definitely, everyone will be benefited with this.
Yes. So here I'll ask you one small question then. Where we can procure this stevia plant, or we can plant it ourselves? What do you want to say about it? That is highlighted.
We will be having stevia plants in our nursery.
Okay.
Not only with us, you can buy it from outside also. I can give you the references in different places. Stevia plants are available.
Okay.
They can, stevia plants will be helpful for public. I can give the references, how it is to be done, all these things. Those guidance can also be given from our side.
Okay. So that means you mean to say that farmers also can get benefited by, doing cultivation of stevia plant.
Yes.
Okay. Easy to plant it, or it's very, high risk, or maybe lot of effort is required for this?
No, it's very, very economical. Labor-wise also, you can, 1 or 2 laborers you can manage it. Once you plant it, it will survive for 7 years.
Oh, one plant, it will survive for 7 years.
7 years, like tulsi plant, how you put it in your bulb. So every 45, 50 days, you have to keep on harvesting.
Only the leaf part you need.
Only leaf or small stem part, you just cut it, and it again, bushy type, it start growing, multiplying.
Right.
So up to 7 years, it gives the yield. So once you plant it every year, if you want cultivation details, then I can say in 1 acre, 30,000 plants can be planted. In 1 acre.
In 1 acre, 30,000 plants can be planted.
And in one acre, your net profit, I'm telling you, after that, all your expenses and all these things, it will not be less than 1 lakh rupees per year.
Oh, wow, that is nice.
Second thing is, it is a sun-growing plant. It doesn't require much water. It is a hardy plant. It will not die so easily, even if you don't water it for not days or weeks together, months together. Even if you don't water it, it will not die.
Oh, okay, right.
It's a very, very hardy plant.
So, just asking you, to get 1 liter of true stevia, normally, how many plants it will be required, approximately?
No, I will not go by plant. I will go by kg of leaves.
Okay.
What is the kg of leaf?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at least you require about 50 grams of stevia leaves.
That's it. To get 1 liter of stevia, true stevia, you need only 50 grams of stevia leaves.
50 grams of stevia leaf.
Just for an idea, see, if the farmers want to go for true stevia plantation, so that means it's very good profitable business for them.
It's a profitable business.
So thank you so much for giving me such a important or valuable information about stevia today. Thank you so much being with us. Thank you for your time.
It is my pleasure. Okay,
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Right.
This is Preeti from the Pretty Beyond Talk Show with Radioactive 90.4 MHz. If you have any suggestion or want to share your own incredible story, you can reach us out on Facebook, Insta, Twitter and YouTube. Until next time, this is Preeti Keep listening, keep loving, keep inspiring.
Radioactive 90.4 megahertz, Bangalore's first community radio station. Listen up, listen up, listen up. Get active.